Dear Gurudev, in Ishavasya Upanishad, you have mentioned that any action that involves giving without expectation sets you free. In my case, I have a repeated pattern. When someone refuses to acknowledge what I have done, I feel bitter and dejected. I feel used. Please tell me.
Don't go on labeling yourself, I am like this, I am like. You don't know who you are. First acknowledge this, I don't know who I am. When you don't know what you behave, how you do, is none of your concern also. Oh, I did like this, I did. You did all that, but when you come and realize, I don't know myself, then really the journey begins. But if you label, I am bad, I am always like this, I always get confused, I am bitter, I am hateful, you are dragging the past garbage along with you. Drop it. It's all dropped. Every moment you are new, just realize, be in knowledge. Listen to all these knowledge talks I have given. Go deep into this. Go deep into meditation. Whatever has happened, finished. You have done some good things also. You have been loving as well. You are angry. You have been compassionate. You have been hateful. You have been loving also. You have been so loving for 10 days, maybe 1 hour you are hateful. So what? Through all these qualities, whether good or bad, you be free. That's why you are here for. When you feel that inner freedom, you will have no complaint against anyone else, nor you have any complaint about yourself. If you complain yourself, you are ready to complain about others. And if you are complaining about others, again you are going to blame yourself. So get out of this ping pong game. Got it? And that is what is called surrender. I just drop everything, however I am. In Shiv Puja, for Shiva, even thorns are the Datureka, the cactus is also offered. Cactus, as well as flowers, as well as leaves, bark, everything is offered. Grass, fruits, flowers, everything is offered to Shiva. That means what? However it is, whatever is in the nature. Nature is not only with flowers, there are also cactus. There are also thorns, thorny bushes. And everything is offered. And that is when you become free. So offer your thorns as well as your flowers. Got it? And you become free.